and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where we are going to test out another neighborhood in Brooklyn. I know, I'm back here in Brooklyn. You wanted it, so we're gonna show it to you. Today though, can you guess where we're at? Well, we are in none other than Cobble Hill. So exciting. A lot of you have asked about Cobble Hill. It is Atlantic Avenue and DeGraw Avenue with Court to the east and Smith to the west. This neighborhood is very hard to beat, so good luck. But if you are thinking about relocating to Brooklyn, this is absolutely a neighborhood that you have to check out. You can just tell the energy of the people, everybody, I don't know, it feels like a community. You have so many great stoops. You know I love a stoop. There's a lot of sky. I bet you even get more stars out here than you do in Manhattan. But any way you slice it, if you are looking to move over here to New York City, definitely check out Cobble Hill. Obviously, reach out to us at the Wheelock team for all of your real estate needs. And we're gonna get you going to see more of the neighborhood. Let's go. So back to food on a stoop in Cobble Hill. If you are vegan or vegetarian, it's okay. You have Clementine Bakery. Great spot to go. Okay, next we'll talk about Sargimo's Salameria. You may have guessed it. It is fabulous Italian meats and cheeses, and they make the sandwiches for you there, and then you can sit down and enjoy it. I'm getting hungry. Then you have to try out Bar Lunatico on Atlantic Avenue if you're looking for tapas, live music, great cocktails. Now, certainly not least, but last for our food portion, we have the Long Island Bar, and it's in Brooklyn. I know, it's strange. It's actually on Atlantic and Henry, and it's a retro fun bar. It's known for its classic cocktails. I've got to be honest with you, once we're done filming, I might have to go grab my Manhattan there. You know I always need to try one somewhere. Whee! Next. Okay, so now let's talk about what you're here for, the real estate. Cobble Hill is a fantastic neighborhood, and you're mostly going to be looking at single families or maybe even two families. Those are going to range on average between 1.5 and 2.5. Don't kid yourselves. If it's a really nice new build, we're probably looking at double that. Now, if you're looking at a condo or a co-op, these are usually, again, going to be in your brownstones. There might be a couple other buildings, but typically it's going to be in your brownstones, either single floors or duplexes. And we're looking anywhere from about 800,000 on average to about 1.5 on average. But I mean, hello, look at these homes. Now, this is why people live in Cobble Hill. They're just stunning. Okay, one thing we didn't talk about is going to be your transportation. So how do you get to from Cobble Hill? Well, there are tons of subways. We also have Barclays Center close by. You have the J, you have the Q, you have the 4-5. So basically you have everything very close to this area if you like to take public transportation. If not, you can probably actually get out pretty quickly in a car. So that is good too. And thank you so much for going on this tour of Cobble Hill with us. We at the Wheelock team would always love to be your real estate team of choice. So if you are thinking about moving out to Brooklyn, where in Brooklyn, well, we can help you out with that. Be sure to reach out, like, subscribe, send this to somebody who you know is relocating. Put your email in the comments below if you'd like to be a part of our newsletter. And I can't wait to see you on the next episode. Bye guys.